Are you seeking a career in software development? Software development is a highly sought-after career choice in 2022, and it's no surprise why. Today, software engineering is often touted as the next best thing to get you out of a dead-end job, but statistics have shown that most people quit within the first few weeks of learning how to code. A career in software development can be pretty exciting if you're willing to learn. In this video, we've decided to dig into the industry to find out what it takes to start a career in software development, from design to maintenance. Bootcamp versus degree versus self-taught. This is a question that every tech influencer jumps to provide an answer to. We'll keep it simple. It depends on the type of learner you are. Bootcamp. A bootcamp is an excellent entry point if you want to learn quickly and land a job. Many boot camps advertise solid industry connections to get their students in the door, but the results might not be as simple as presented. Degree. Formal education through a degree is a good choice when you've got a little more time on your hands, and you need a sense of community to keep you grounded in the software engineering scene. Self-taught. Lastly, self-taught. This is perhaps the most attractive attribute of software engineering as a career. With the ability to learn what you need online, being self-taught is a fantastic way to build yourself up for the life of a software engineer. Requirements for software engineering. Some essential attributes worth building up within yourself include coding skills, collaborative skills, communication skills, software testing skills, logical thinking skills, and more. As a web developer, you might find job listings asking for skills with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and a few more tools. Depending on your chosen route within the field, check out the skills being demanded and try to build projects around those tools. Benefits of a career in software development. A career in software development is quite peachy if you're able to dedicate the time required to become a master of the field. Potential rewards include high rate of payment compared to other fields. Offers the ability to work from anywhere in the world. Keeps your mind fresh due to constant learning. Higher demand for work. Improves your problem-solving skills, which will elevate other aspects of your life. How to get started with your career in software engineering? Many tools are available for beginners, so you shouldn't be on this step for too long. Some amazing resources include Harvard CS50 Introduction to Computer Science, Free Code Camp, The Odin Project. The resources links are in the description section below. Final words. Software development is a career that might initially seem intimidating, but it is probably one of the most rewarding tracks to success that can be found today. We'll love to hear about your software development career. How has the journey been for you? Share your experience.